How to add special effects to Instagram messages. It's pretty quick and easy, just follow these simple steps. So first you're gonna do is open up Instagram application. Once I did that, I need to get in messages. I tap on the icon right here, and here I can select any conversation I want. For example, it will be this guy, and let write him some message. And next I need to tap on this search icon, and here at the top I see all the effects I can apply to my message. Let it be, for example, this fire effect. I tap on it, and here we see that effects is already applied and message was sent to this guy. That is so simple and easy, and now you know how to add special effects to Instagram messages. Make sure you liked this video. See you next time.